For today's video, I wanted to create this bold fall look that I have on my eyes and my lips. I'm so excited for the fall. I can't wait to wear hoodies, sweatpants, and a beanie. I'm so excited for that. Thumbs up if you're excited for the fall. This is my first ever bold look tutorial that I've ever did on my channel. So this is very fun and new for me. I'm actually really digging this eye look. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video.